Collecting scan data with the SX10 is made easy using Trimble Access. Trimble Access is a field software that many existing Trimble users are familiar with. Making the transition from using Total Station and GNSS with Trimble Access to now including the SX10 scanning capabilities is no challenge for new and existing users. The existing users will see very little change to the current layout in Trimble Access, while the new users can easily set up, measure, and transfer data with a simplistic and intuitive interface. The survey station method allows the SX10 to be utilized as both a total station and a terrestrial scanner. Traverse, topographic, and as-stake data can be collected in conjunction with scan data. Here, the instrument is being orientated to a backsite point. Performing scans with the SX10 is as simple as taking a topographic point measurement. In the scanning command, there are several options for point cloud and image collection. The polygon frame is perfect for narrowing the scan area to ensure that only objects you wish to survey are collected. As well, this decreases the scan time and the size of the point cloud file, allowing the user to be more efficient. Depending on your project specifications, the scan density can be changed to collect more or less dense point clouds. In the case of earthworks, coarse density is sufficient to generate accurate topographic measurements. The SX10 has two types of cameras. The first is the primary camera. This creates smaller high-resolution images, while the second is the overview camera. This has a wider angle lens, therefore takes larger images at a lower resolution with a shorter capture time. Taking images with the primary camera typically takes longer than taking images with the overview camera. The SX10 introduces a new method for leveling by using an optical plummet camera. Users can view the setup point as you would through an optical plummet, but visualizing it on the tablet screen using a real-time video. Combining this with the camera lets surveyors take pictures of the station setup for future reference and traceability. A conventional non-video optical plummet is available as well. The camera and video functionality also transfers to the station setup and measuring data screens. The old method of using an optical telescope is replaced with a high-resolution video camera that allows the user to see what the scan station is aimed at and measure using the video screen. When data collection is finished and before the crew leaves the project site, they export the data as a JXL. The conventional method of exporting the job file also works, but the JXL allows the user to visualize the data in an XML-like format that is version independent. In this particular project, we have 3 JXL files. One for the survey stations, one for scan stations, and one for GNSS data. Trimble Access and the JXL format help to support the combination of scanning, total station, and GNSS data in one JXL file. To find the JXL and the associated files to your job, you can open up My Computer on your tablet. Here you can navigate to the Trimble Data folder, which is under Program Data, Trimble, and then Trimble Data. Here your user profile data is displayed. Select the user, and this will display all the associated JXL job file and any image or scan files that are in your user profile. If I open up the Ashfall files, this contains all the survey station scans as well as the associated images. These files can be exported through a hardwired connection, a remote wireless connection, or to an external source such as a USB key or a hard drive, which then can be used to import into Trimble Business Center for deliverable creation.